I'm going to give you a quick demo of the Site Canvas platform. You'll notice the Next Music logo here, and that's the reason this is here is it's one of our music licensing partners. So the one of the newest applications we've developed for for the Site Canvas platform is the ability to turn your Facebook profile into a website in under a minute. So the first step is, and I'll just walk you through the steps of actually creating a site in under a minute. So the first step is clicking the sign up button. I'm already logged into my Facebook account, so it'll automatically go to the next step, which shows you the different photo galleries that you have in your Facebook account, and you get to choose the specific ones that are used in creating your site. So I'm going to use the photo shoot category. Now click next, and the next step in the process is choosing your design. So I will select this one. The next step is choosing your domain name. And you'll notice this is a subdomain of our music licensing partner, Next Music, and this subdomain could be anything. It could be sitecanvas.com or another third party. Our system also has the ability to use custom domains such as brendankane.com. So I will submit, and now it's going to go through the 5 different steps of the sign-up process of actually creating the site. There's 5 steps, and it'll take anywhere between 30 and 60 seconds, and that's based upon the amount of content that you're transferring from Facebook. So the first step is simply creating the account. The second step is transferring the design, and then the third step is transferring the Facebook content. The fourth step is building the website. So it's actually taking the content and putting it into the design that you chose. And then the fifth step is finalizing the website. And now we have our website built with our content that I pulled from our test account, and you can view the full website by clicking your URL here, and it'll load your website, and then you can go through the pages and check it out. So we have the bio. It pulled my bio from my Facebook account. The photos page, it has your own photo gallery with the photos it pulled. But I will go back to this page. Another interesting feature that we have is the remix tool, where I can click remix, and basically what that does is if you don't like the photos that were chosen or the slots of the photos, you can simply hit remix and get a new look of the site. So now I'll jump into the Site Canvas website builder, and you get there by clicking the start editing your site button. So as soon as the site's done, the user can jump in and start modifying every element of their site. So the real differentiating factor between our platform and other platforms on the market is it's not a template-based system. It is it really acts as a blank canvas. You're not restricted to any template type structure. So you can simply drag and drop any element on the screen to whatever location that you want. So I'll go through the process of showing you the flexibility of this platform. I could literally delete this entire screen or this entire design and start from a blank white screen, but to save time, I'll just show you some cool unique features. So I will select all of these and delete them to make room. And what I'll do next is I'll select this image here and move it over here. And then I will select this one as well and move it here. And finally this one. I have to unselect this so I can just move this one. And you'll notice we have a select all feature, which you can select everything on the page and move it as well, and that's why I was just selecting none. The next step that I'm going to do is we can move, again, this font as well. And we have what's called fancy text, so that you can edit this and choose, different fonts. So I will find a new, I like this cursive font here. It's a little more stylized, and I can change the size and hit save, and it'll swap that out. And then I'll do the same for this one, choose the same font. And change the size. And you can also, change the color. So I'm going to change this to a blue. And then you can also move the navigation anywhere as well, but I'm not feeling this style here. So what I can do is delete that, and I can find a new navigation. We have over 100 different styles to choose from. So as you evolve the look and feel of your site, you can choose a new navigation style. So I'll choose this one, and I'll add it to the header. And you'll notice you've seen header in a few times. We have headers and footers built in so that you can add content into a header and footer and have that display on every single page the exact same. So it added that new navigation, but the font is white, you can see here. And in the slot that I want to put it in, the background's white. So I go into the navigation editor. And first you'll notice that you have all of your links here, so you can change the order of the links. But I'm going to get rid of this music store link, and I'm going to move the home page to the top. And then you can get into the style. So the text color, as you see, is white, so I'll change that to black. You could also change the rollover text and the rollover box color, but I'm going to leave that the same. And now it'll make the changes automatically for me. So the font is now black, and I removed the music store from the navigation. And now I'm going to save the header because I made all the changes I wanted. And then I'll go and I'll add more photos. So this is your photos section. So you have all of the photos that were pulled in from Facebook here, and you can simply upload more photos by clicking select photos and choosing from your desktop. But I'm going to go back to my photos section, and I'm going to select this image and add it to the page and drag it over here. And we have both resize and crop built in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize this image, and I'm going to move it over here in line, and then I'm going to crop it. And move it up a little bit. And then I can also do certain things like changing the opacity. So I'm going to drop the opacity a little bit. And we also have a photo editor built in as well if you want to get really advanced with the changes you want to make to a photo. So now that we have the opacity dropped on that, I'm going to add a blog to the page. So I'll select blog, and we have blog widgets. So we have different types of styles of blogs. So I'm going to choose this blue bubble one and choose the category of blog I want to display. And we have a little stock blog post in here that actually tells you how to add or edit a blog post. So I'm going to edit this welcome one. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to say welcome. Thanks for checking out my new site. And hit publish. And it swaps that out. So we've got our new blog in here. Now I'm going to change the background image. So we have different, so you can change the background image, and we have different types of stock photos in here you can choose from. So I'm going to go into the textures and choose this one, and I'm going to tell it to repeat, and then I hit save. And you can always preview the site before you make the changes live. So what we did in a matter of minutes was, we changed the photos on the left, added this new navigation, changed the font, added the background, and created a new blog. And I'll just quickly show you some of the other designs that you can do. I'll just click through a few of them. You can get pretty unique with them. You can choose from a number of different styles. And as you get more advanced, you can create more advanced sites like Taylor Swift's site, which is built off of this platform. And we have a few other celebrities as well. So that's just a quick demo of the Site Canvas platform in our new Facebook application. And keep in mind that we can tie into any API that has content and pull it. It's not just Facebook. We're going to be integrating with MySpace, Twitter, and basically any third party that has a API that we can pull content through.